In an old, forgotten town nestled in the hills, there stood a small, creaky house. The windows were always foggy, and the doors never fully closed. No one ever lived there, but every night, the neighbors could hear strange sounds coming from inside. One chilly evening, a curious girl named Lily, with a love for adventure and a brave heart, walked past the old house. She'd heard the stories, whispers about shadows that moved on their own and voices that echoed in the walls, but she never believed them. "Tonight, I'll see for myself," she whispered. Lily approached the house and pushed open the creaky door, which groaned in protest. Inside, it was dark, but a faint light seemed to glow from the attic above. As she made her way up the stairs, she heard something soft, whispers, like voices calling her name. Her heart raced, but she kept going, determined to uncover the truth.
As Lily reached the top of the stairs, she saw a shadow dart across the attic window, flickering and vanishing as if it never existed. She froze, staring at the spot where it had been. Then, a voice whispered, "You shouldn't be here." Lily spun around, but the attic was empty. Her breath caught in her throat as the shadow reappeared, this time closer, as if it had moved toward her.
The shadow grew clearer, and Lily saw that it was the shape of a girl, pale, with hollow eyes and a sad smile. "I was once like you," the ghost whispered. "I wanted to know what was hidden in this house. But now I am trapped, just like the others who came before you." Lily's fear melted into pity. She reached out a hand. "What happened to you?" she asked. The ghost's voice was barely audible now. "I never left, and now I can never leave." Suddenly, Lily felt a cold gust of wind rush past her, and the ghost's sad smile faded. "You must go," it whispered one last time, "before it's too late." Lily ran down the stairs and out of the house, heart pounding. When she reached the safety of the road, she looked back. The house stood silent again, but Lily knew she had just encountered something no one would ever believe.